Welcome to your next vacation destination, here at Three Palms, in the Paradise Retreat private gated community. This spacious 2,000 square foot split bedroom designed house has 4 bedrooms. A living room, a dining room, and breakfast area. This concept design comes with a fully equipped kitchen where you'll be spending time cooking, eating, and having fun being together. The kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. There is free, high-speed Wi-Fi internet. Your own private pool in the backyard, which can be heated, only adds to all the fun. Cook out on the grill. You're a few minutes walk to our private beach access gate. We also have beach chairs and bicycles for your enjoyment. You're just a few miles to even more shopping, restaurants, and fun. We have everything you need. The only thing missing is you.